So we will start with basic introduction to organic chemistry. Organic chemistry is a study of properties and structure of compounds which contain carbon-hydrogen bonds. Means that it is usually necessary that organic compound must contain carbon-hydrogen direct bonds, right? If there is a carbon and carbon-hydrogen bond, so it means that the compound is organic. You can see in first example, this is methane, this is methane, and you are seeing that there is a bond between carbon hydrogen. There is a direct bond between carbon and hydrogen. So this molecule is organic molecule. If you will see next example, so there is a bond between carbon and carbon hydrogen. But if you see third example, that is urea, this molecule is urea. So you will see that there is no direct carbon hydrogen bond, but still its organic compound. It is, you can say that it may be exception. If I talk about this molecule, this molecule is an inorganic molecule since there is no carbon hydrogen direct bonding. There is a carbon oxygen bonding and oxygen hydrogen bond. This is basically carbonic acid, that is H2CO3. If you see this example, that is carbon dioxide, so you will see that this molecule is also inorganic molecule. This one is also inorganic and this one is also inorganic molecule. Let's talk about vital force theory. Vital means life. It means the term organic was used only for those substances which were obtained from animal or plant sources and could not be prepared in the laboratory. Previously, it is proved that by the experiments that organic chemistry or organic compounds can only be extracted or can only be obtained from animal or plant sources. Means that can only be obtained from living source. They can neither be, they could not be prepared in laboratory. So it was a concept which is based on their experiments and results. But rejected in 19th century. This theory is rejected in 19th century by experimental observation of a number of scientists. In Germany, a young scientist Waller in 1828 prepared urea in the laboratory from inorganic material. What he did, he boiled ammonium cyanate with water to obtain urea. Waller boiled ammonium cyanate, this is ammonium cyanate, with water and he got urea. So this and other experiments prove that organic compounds can be prepared in laboratory, and it is not necessary that organic compound can only be extracted from living source. In 1865, Kekulé proved that the valency of carbon is 4 in carbon compounds. He also established chain structure of carbon compounds and ring structure of benzene. Catenation. It's the ability of an element to bond itself with its own atom. You can see in the given example that carbon is bonded to carbon, carbon is bonded to carbon and forming a long chain. Similarly, there is another example in which carbon is bonded to carbon and forming ring. This is the unique ability of carbon, due to which carbon is important element to study alone in organic chemistry. Let's summarize today's lecture. So, we have discussed what is organic chemistry, vital force theory, synthetic organic chemistry, and Kekulé's work and catenation.